So when you stop riding, instead of getting stiff, when you stop riding, just take a feel on her mouth to give her support. Don't pull back, don't say anything. Just have your body stay soft, and then almost like put weight in your arms and take a feel on her, you know what I mean? So you don't want to pull, you want it to just get heavy. So it takes a softer feel on her face and see if you can get that. So instead of stiffening up, if you feel like you're not getting the response that you're looking for, then let your arms get heavy with a grip on the reins. I would do it right there. Or right there. Ah, I saw what you did. Your whole body turned into a C. If you quickly went like that, you allowed her to toss you, which means you're not on your balance point when you ask her for that walk. That was a good view for me to see what happens to you, which may be why she doesn't know. So when you ask for that walk transition, try to have where you're feeling like you're almost leaning back, but don't be so obvious about leaning back, but have it be like your whole body's creating kind of an anchor. Because as soon as she broke down into the walk, you went, okay? So see if you can't, it's not a stiff thing, so it's more of a sloppy kind of, let's just walk, man. You know, so see if you can kind of give her that impression. I think once your body feels like I'm trying to describe, you'll have a huge difference in the horse. But it's a matter of kind of like me seeing what's happening to you, because it's almost like from your bra strap up, you got stiff. Okay. You did, didn't you? You felt it, didn't you? Because I saw it, it wasn't as bad, but from like your waistline up, you got stiff. I don't know if you saw it too. I don't know what you're saying. Yeah. You want to turn into like a marshmallow. Now, exactly how your body is right now. There. That's a huge difference. And she's like, I'm coming to see you. You feel the difference there? Yeah. Okay, so maybe try it not so close to me.
So the energy, the chi stops if someone freezes, and then you're not with the horse.
Right. But if you stay and you kind of turn like mush, yeah, then you maintain a flow. Way better. Did you mean that? Okay, way better. Ask for a trot again, because now we're going to try to do it trot, walk, because now I think you've figured it out in your body. Oh, perfect time? That was when I would have done it? I was just about to say, if you kept going, I would have done it there. Good. Your goal is to have her come into the walk with her head like that. Not like that. Yeah, she gives me like a side eye. I know she's thinking about coming here. So that's a nice look. When she there, I would have done it then too. But she did put her head up. But that's where I would have done it. So you got the communication that you were not wanting, but it was good that you got it, so you could see you're still maybe a little too rigid.
Would Rainbow turn without taking any steps? Would she do a 360 standing still?
Yeah, I don't know that she has any training for it.
She's almost turning
Ah,
fast enough.
that was great for you. I'm sorry.
She's almost turning fast enough to look like she could start doing it.
Yeah, physically, she's capable of it, yeah. Nice, ask her to walk right now. Way better. And it looked to me, from my angle, of course I got more of your back, it looked to me like you, like together, you guys came to the same speed. And you think you could do that one more time? Because otherwise I would say I would quit on that, but if you think you could do that one more time, she's finally like believing you, which is nice. Because when they don't believe you, they have that habitual thing that she was doing. And, you know, she started to do that whole bouncy thing, like she got really mad. You know, she said a lot for that. So I'm glad that we had a chance to kind of help her through this. And it's not over, you know what I mean? Like tomorrow she'll do the same thing, and then tomorrow you'll have to you'll have to show up again and say, look, no, we're not going to do it that way anymore. I know.
It's the ragdoll thing, right? I learned that once jumping. It's like right before the jump when we all tend to tense up. You stop breathing, you're like, here it comes. But if you stay like a ragdoll and you stay breathing, then you're flowing into the next movement as opposed to bracing again.
Yes.
You have a great teacher there, Morgan. Like it's like the minute you don't do it properly, your head goes up, right? Yeah, both. Yeah.
So let's see if we can get one more, and maybe even try to time it out to where you're coming into where you've been asking her to stop, and just try to gently walk through there. Yeah, whatever. Well, you know what? Don't go by me. Yeah. Try it. You can do those two if you want. I don't think coming by me is helpful to her.
You're getting a kiss. She goes, that was good. We're done.
Yeah, I mean, she could be done right now if you wanted to.
Yeah.
That was a good place to end if you wanted to end. But if you think you can repeat that, it would also be a good way to convince her that you're going to show up different now. Even that trot was a little bit nicer than nice. Yeah. I would. Do those two jump, that jump and the one further down. That one and that one. Yeah, that's where I would have done it, and that was a nice response. Her head came up that time more because of like the rail thing, not because of you. I think she was kind of protesting more the rail. I don't think it had anything to do with you, and it wasn't like it was. It wasn't this, we're gonna get her to where she doesn't think she has to throw her head up anymore. You're gonna crash through the jump to come over here? All right.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you. Such a different mare. She was so unhappy for so long.
I went back and I watched the first couple of videos. Whoa.
Yeah. She's come a long way. And she believes her to start to believe. You probably have me on video going, I promise you, you're gonna like me someday. I always have to convince the ones that don't believe.
What's she doing your kids? You're gonna love you.
So, yeah, I mean, her ears are up way more than they ever were. Like, she should walk around with her ears pinned. Man,
You know what she said? She goes, no, you.
there's so much more that we're going to be able to, once, you know, that the window's open, and she's going to say, okay, what else you got? You know, and then all of a sudden she's going to be like, well, whatever you want to do, I'm good.
Look great, Morgan. And your pink that matches. It's fascinating. It's a ragdoll thing.
Yeah.
You know, I could see the embrace that you have a friend. You know.
Well, and if you ride, especially a horse, if you ride a horse like her, like very rigid, it offends her.
It offends her, yeah. She was getting offended.
And it was funny because we were doing so good, and then we went out on the rail, and the first downward transition you asked for, boy, she was like, I knew it! You know, like, right? Like she was convinced that we've been lying to her, you know? And then all that other stuff started again.
No, she's so validating your story. But we do.
Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. All right.
Breathing. I think the breathing, right?
I go over here, you here, come. Yeah? I go over here, come.
Kirsten is the goddess of Windward Stables. She's not like teaching anybody.
Yeah, I remember that's one of the first things she ever said to me. Okay. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Just take it. I gotta turn this off before I get too close to her. I'll scream.
You gotta turn it up